Hi my darlings, just want to wish you all a very happy new year. And I thought at the start of this year I might just say a quick thing, because we often make New Year's resolutions, and the interesting thing about them, we often think we're going to eat more healthily, we're going to exercise more, we're going to work harder at school, and often we break those things by the second Friday of January. So all the people who start going to the gym after Christmas, beginning of the new year to get fit, often by the second Friday in January, they've all stopped. And just a faithful few are still continuing. But I remember doing a short, well, I hope it was short video for you about how we speak, how we use our tongues, and that we can say nasty things or we can say kind things. Now this morning I was listening to a chap who was asking us the question, what sound do you make? Now we've heard lots of sounds over the Christmas period, lots of happy sounds, and for lots of people it's sad times, sad sounds. But I wonder if you could think for a moment about the sound that you make. What do people hear when they listen to you? Do they hear anger, grumbling? Are you critical of other people? Or are you encouraging or praising other people, or just happy and someone who sees good things in people? Or are you like a stone that is thrown into a pond? Now have a think about this. If you stand at the edge of a pond and throw a stone into the pond, you will see that stone will make ripples that come out from that stone, and they go out in circles and they affect the water for quite some way, getting a bit weaker and a bit weaker until they disappear. Now the things we say can be like throwing a stone into water. And I want us all to think this year about what we say when we're thinking about what we say, thinking about throwing a stone in the water. Is it a nice thing that we're saying? Is it a kind thing? Is it helpful? Is it encouraging? So that those ripples that go out from that stone and affect other people around us, so the words we speak affect other people around us. Are they things that will make them feel good, better about themselves? Are they kind things? Or are we throwing stones that are nasty, hard, horrible things that we say, unkind things, critical things? Think hard about the words you speak, what comes into our mouths. The words we speak often come from our heart, and if our heart is thinking unkind, horrible, grumpy things, that's what we tend to say. So if we think kinder things and feel kinder things towards people, we will say kinder things. And that's just something that I thought we could all think about at the beginning of this year, and maybe today make a resolution that we're going to think much more carefully about the things we say, and not just the things we say, but the things that we do and watch, or messages that we put out on social media. Because the ripples that go from one message on social media go for a very, very long way. They can actually go right round the world. And we talk about things that go viral. So it's not just what you say with your mouth when people can hear you, but it's what you write and what you put on social media. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anything else. You're not just saying it to people you know, it actually can go right round the world and affect other people's lives. So let's all have a think about what we say and what we write. Love you all so much, and I hope this year is going to be brilliant for you all. Love you loads. Bye, my darlings.